Hello po mga ka-Jesnabs, welcome back po sa ating channel. Nag-release po ng Notice of Cash Allocation para sa medical allowance na nirelease lang kahapon. Ito po yung mga latest, tingnan po natin. Una yung Division of Tuguegarao City, Division of Quirino, Saguday National High School, Difon National High School, Cabarogis National School of Arts and Trades, Victoria High School, Aglipay National High School, Victoria Annex, Mandela Comprehensive High School, Pinaripad National High School, Quirino General High School, Main Campus, Santiago City National High School, Divisoria High School. Division of Santiago City, merong more than 7 million pesos po yan. Ito pa, Rizal National High School, Cabulay High School. Ito pa, Division of Batanes, mahigit 3 million pesos para sa medical allowance. Igbayat National Agricultural High School, Sabtang National High School of Fisheries. Ito pa, Kawayan City Science and Technology High School, Division of Kawayan City, Kawayan City National High School, Ilagan West National High School, Isabela School of Arts and Trades, Division of Ilagan City, San Antonio Agricultural High School, Isabela National High School. Ito pa po, Calanigan National High School, San Mariano National High School Main, Adalam Region High School, Delfin Albano High School, Rojas National High School, Cabatuan National High School, Gamo Agri-Fishery School, Salinungan National High School, Alfreda Albano National High School, Alesia National High School, Quezon National High School, Regional Science High School, Insect Regional Science High School, Tumawene National High School, Luna National High School, San Agustin, St. Paul Vocational Industrial High School, Santo Tomas National High School, Nagilian National High School, Arena Mercedes Vocational and Industrial School, San Mateo Vocational and Industrial High School, Angadanan High School. Ito pa, Isabela School of Fisheries, Jones Rural School, Muñoz National High School Main, San Isidro National High School, Cagasat High School, Rizal Region National High School, Alicia Isabela, San Jose National High School, Quirino National High School Main, San Antonio National High School, Dibuluan National High School, Benito Sullivan National High School, Palanan National High School, Lalawanan High School, Division of Isabela, naku ang laki, mahigit 80 million pesos, 80 million and 605,000 pesos. Ramon National High School, San Pablo National High School, Mabini National High School. Yun po ang mga schools at saka mga division na narilisan ng Notice of Cash Allocation para sa medical allowance dated October 7, 2025. Sana yan na po ay maibigay na sa mga teachers na gusto ng cash na medical allowance. Okay guys, hanggang dito na lang. Thank you for having me. Bye-bye. Pag-subscribe naman kung hindi nyo pa ito nagagawa.